Greetings, aeronautical devotees. How we have missed you. We trust you've been keeping yourself well entertained with fantasies about short Sunderlands and Republic thunderflashes. Firstly, an apology for not releasing any videos for a very long time. We are sorry. It's not easy making them look as good as they do. Secondly, comes the thunder of good news. We are making a gorgeous coffee table book, and we want you to be part of it. From the cocaine, blood and scarves of World War I dogfighting to the dark arts of modern air combat, here is an enthralling ode to these brutally exciting killing machines. The Huskit Book of Warplanes is a beautifully designed, highly visual collection of the best articles from the fascinating world of military aviation. Handpicked from the highly acclaimed Huskit Online magazine with a strong punch of new exclusive material. It is a feast of outre information ranging from interviews with fighter pilots to wicked satire, expert historical analysis, top tens, and all manner of things aeronautical. From the site described as the thinking man's Top Gear, but for planes. The solid, well-researched information about aeroplanes is brilliantly combined with an irreverent attitude and real insight into the dangerous, romantic world of combat aircraft. Featuring interviews with pilots of the F-35B, F-14 Tomcat, Mirage, Typhoon, MiG-25, MiG-27, English Electric Lightning, Harrier, F-15, B-52, and many more. Your favorite top and bottom tens, including greatest fighter aircraft of World War II, worst British aircraft, worst Soviet aircraft, and many more insanely specific ones. Expert analysis of weapons, tactics, and technology. A look into art and culture's love affair with the airplane. Bizarre moments in aviation history, and fascinating insights into exceptionally obscure warplanes. With first-rate photography and a wealth of new world-class illustrations,